Hey everybody, Scott Wilkinson here at CEDIA Expo 2013. I'm in the Sony booth where we've got some of the biggest news at the show, which is Sony's new 4K projector, the
VW600ES.
I'll get that pretty soon. I'm talking with Andre Floyd here with Sony, and he's going to tell us all about the VW600ES.
Exactly.
I got it.
Okay.
Good. So, give us the scoop.
So this is our newest full 4K projector. It's designed to be priced at a point that allows people to step up from a high-end HD model. It provides mastered in 4K reality creation up conversion. It has HDMI 2.0 input. It also interfaces directly with our X1 media player box, so we can take advantage of all the 4K content that's now available to consumers, as well as 4K content that will be available through broadcasting at 60p.
So yeah, it'll take in 60p over HDMI 2.0.
Correct.
Now, you mentioned the price point. What kind of area are we talking about? The VPL VW 1000 is in the $25,000 range, I think?
And this is in the $15,000 range.
Excellent. Now we're talking.
Okay.
Fantastic.
Exactly. It's designed to be a little bit more accessible, but still make incredible picture quality.
And it is true 4K. It's
4096 by 2160.
Exactly. And but what will it do with 1080p? Will it up-res to that true 4K, or will it go to what we call UHD?
It will up-res to UHD just because of to maintain the aspect ratio.
Good. So you'll have a little bit cropped off the sides, but
right. But that's what you would have gotten if it was HD also.
Exactly. That's what I would want to do anyway.
Right.
And yet the movies that you're going to download from Sony, be able to download from Sony, those are true 4K. Is that correct?
Correct. It's no, they're actually 3840 as well.
3840 as well.
Because
okay.
they're formatted for television as well, which are 38 UHD.
Right. So why make this true 4K?
Because we still want to provide the full cinema experience, and we believe that there will be movies eventually that are available, particularly exciting for the 285 aspect ratio, because now you get 4096 pixels full width and not compromising at all on the height.
Yeah, fantastic. I did see a demo earlier this morning in your blacked out theater room. Looked fantastic. When is it going to be available?
It's available starting the beginning of November.
Beginning of November. Wow, coming up.
We will start delivering the beginning of November.
Fantastic. Well, this, as I said, I think it's one of the big stories of the show, and I congratulate you for it.
Thank you very much. And the other thing I just want to mention is it's really designed for a wider range of installations than the 1000 was. So it's a little bit shorter, so it can be closer to the wall. The exhaust ports are actually in the front, so you don't have to worry about blasting hot air against the wall.
Great.
And it's got a really wide throw range.
Oh, one other question I was going to ask you about projectors. The 1000 is not compatible with the X1 server, correct?
Correct.
But you're going to be bringing out an update to that will be?
Correct. In two ways. There's also introduced at the show is the VW 1100, which is the upgrade to that provides also 2.0 HDMI and interface to the X1 server. And then for people who own a VW 1000, there is an upgrade program that'll be available through your dealer that will allow you to basically turn your 1000 into an 1100 and get all the benefits.
So that's a hardware upgrade probably?
Correct.
Yeah, fantastic.
Yep.
Well, good. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you very much.
Also in the Sony booth is high-res audio, which we've reported about on AVS before, but here's a chance to talk to Matt Griesert about the initiative and the products that are coming out from Sony regarding high-res audio.
Yes.
Tell us about the initiative, first of all. What's the importance of high-res audio to the consumer?
The importance is that about 20 years ago we moved into CD. That was a huge move. And now since then it's been kind of quiet. The last 20 years have been very quiet in audio. So,
in fact, going backwards in a sense through MP3.
It has gone backwards.
High compression,
yes. And so you see a
lower
resurgence
quality
in vinyl now.
Yeah.
And so now on the digital side, we need to bring that up as well.
Yeah.
So on the 4th of this month, we came out with a press release and launched Hi-Res as a brand, as a movement. And so what you're seeing today and being launched for the first time is the hardware to accompany that high-res audio service and logo that we launched on the 4th. So starting with that, we have the Z1 ES model. That is our top-of-the-line piece.
And this is like an audio streamer.
It actually does not stream from anything.
It's a hard disk player.
You got it.
Okay.
So it's all in one. So it stores your library that you currently have, transfer to that. It plays it in your rack in your listening room. So no noise, no streaming, no PC worries. It's all ready to go.
Right.
And there's
it's a high quality audiophile product.
You got it.
Yeah.
You got it. And it also comes with an app for iOS and Android that lets you control that from your seat. So you can do it on the front of the device or sitting down.
Now, will it handle, I know that Sony is big into DSD,
Yes.
which is the format that was used and still is on SACD.
Correct.
But we also support high resolution PCM as well?
PCM, all formats.
Okay.
So it's format agnostic.
Great.
It'll work with everything.
Fantastic.
It has, this particular unit being the top of the line, it has something called a DSD remastering engine. So whether it's FLAC or any of those other formats, it will take that up to 5.6 FS DSD. And that's what will come out of your speakers.
And new at the show is a firmware update for your top-of-the-line receiver, right?
That is correct. It's actually available on the 2800 and the top-of-the-line 5800.
Okay.
And so it will play DSD over USB stick into the unit or over DLNA over your network.
Fantastic.
And that went live today.
That went live today. Fantastic.
You got it.
And is it? Does it cost anything to owners?
It's free.
Fantastic.
Yep.
Thanks so much for your time.
All right. Thank you.